Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today we're going to be reviewing this puzzle board that we got. This is a perfect thing to have. We love it, right? We love because we could do our puzzles on here, and it comes with 6 straws, 2 on each side and then 1 on each of this side. And you can easily pull them out. They magnet in, so they're not gonna fall out. And this is perfect. You can keep like certain pieces in there, that you find, and it's easier to keep everything together, and then easier to find certain pieces. This can cover up to a 2,000 piece, right? 2,000 piece puzzle. Right now we're doing a 500 piece, but this is pretty cool. You can have one in each, a puzzle in each draw if you want. So lots of different things. It has non-slip grips on the bottom, so it won't fall off if you want to do it on the table or on the floor. It won't slide all over the place. And they're really smooth. It's smooth material, so really nice. It's got the edges, so it's not going to fall over. And then it does come with this plastic covering, so you can cover it so that way it doesn't get dusty or anything. Highly recommend it, right? We love it.
I love it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. You can put it away. You can put it under your couch. You can put it. We put it under here, under our coffee table, so that way it's always here. When we want to do a little bit of the puzzle each night, we take it out and we do a little bit of the puzzle. So it's pretty cool. It's great to have as a family. You can do something together. So we highly recommend this product. It's very well made, and we hope you enjoy. Bye.